I'm doing Makoudah. Makoudah is a recipe from Morocco or Tunis or Algeria. They all have similar recipes. It means to sew, and to sew, I'm wondering if it means that the chicken and the eggs come together, sew together. I haven't figured that one out. But here I have the potatoes that I have cooked in water and salt. I mashed the potatoes, and I'm going to add the eggs. I put like 3-4 eggs. Potato, I put 3 large potatoes. So in goes the eggs. I'll mash this up all together. And then here I have the spices. I'm going to put saffron, black pepper, garlic, turmeric, parsley, and paprika. All gonna go into our mix. So here I have a cup of the water that I used to cook the potatoes, and I'm going to put some consommé, and I use the no added MSG. I'm going to mix this all up while it's still warm and keep it here on the side. In my mix, I'm going to put lemon juice. At the meantime, I have a pan here heating up with oil where this mix is going to go. But before that, I'm going to add the chicken. So you cook a breast of chicken, you cut it up, you add it to your mix. I don't think I need all this, but see? Oh, you have the hard-boiled eggs, eh? Okay, I need that too, yeah. So we're gonna mix our chicken in here. Again, if you want, you could make it vegetarian, so you won't need the chicken. You can do it with carrots, sweet potato, cauliflower, instead of chicken. Here I stirred up my mix. I'm waiting on my hard-boiled eggs. Yeah, so I'm going to take an egg and just cut it into maybe 3 pieces. And you want to fold it in very, very lightly so you don't break the egg. The idea is when the pie is ready, to be able to see the slices of eggs inside the pie. So we're just going to fold it in. I'm going to put my oil in high now, medium high. Remember, when you have raw eggs inside a mix, you can't taste it. You cannot taste it because there's a risk of getting salmonella. So here's my mix. I'm going to put it in my hot pan here with the boiling oil. So in case you're wondering what we're going to do with the consommé water that I prepared, we're going to put it on top in a little bit after we cook the pie for 5 minutes on medium high. We'll put the consommé on top to give it flavor. I don't know if you can see this. So after 5 minutes that I'm going to cook it, I'll put it in an oven, 400 degrees. Let me see if I can. And for about 45 minutes. And I'll show you pictures when it's ready. So please share your pictures too. Share your recipes, because we're a fun group and anybody can share.